dear students, welcome to your GK class, and today is my first class with you. So let me give you my introduction. From today I am going to take your GK and my name is Kirti. Okay. So today we are going to start the topic space exploration. This is your first chapter for your finals. Your half yearly exam is over. So now we will start the final exam or the annual exam syllabus. First chapter, that is space exploration. Is it clear? Now what is the meaning of exploration? To explore something. Explore means to discover something. Now let's go on a tour on space. Okay. Excited? So this is Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun is taking to a tour to meet his family members. Now you know how many members are there in the solar system? There are 8 members in the solar system, and Sun is the main member and other 8 planets are there in the solar system. Now what does the planets do? The planets revolve around the sun on its own orbit and axis. Okay, you can see the planets are moving around the sun on their own path. They have a fixed path on which they are moving around the sun. Now due to this only on earth we are having day and night. You know, day and night are due to the effect of this rotation only. Now, you know how what are the names of the planets? The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets of the solar system. In your book, the exercise A is given. You have to solve it like this only, okay? Label the planets of the solar system. Now let's see. The first planet is Mercury. As Mercury is nearest to the sun, it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. Why? You know, because it is nearest to the sun. When it is nearest to the sun, the weather is very hot there during the day and it is extremely cold during the night. Now our second planet is Venus. Venus is nearest to the earth and very bright because it is covered in clouds that reflects the sun's light. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is also called as the morning star or evening star. Interesting thing to know about Venus. Now, what is the third planet? Our third planet is our planet, that is Earth. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. You know, Earth, you can see the picture. Many places it is green and many places it is blue. Why? The green is showing the greenery and blue is showing the water. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called as the blue planet. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. Okay, that means only life is there on Earth only. No other planet is having life. Now the fourth planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet and it is known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. You all have heard in the news also that scientists are discovering life on Mars. Okay, Mangal Grah, you know, the Mars planet is known as Mangal Grah, okay? And the scientists are doing various experiments to prove that life is there on Mars also. Okay. Now, what is the next planet? The fifth planet is Jupiter. Fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. So you can say Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay, many Earth can cover the area of Jupiter. This is such a large planet. Okay. Now the next planet is what? The next planet is Saturn. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, is the second largest planet in the solar system. That means the first biggest planet is Jupiter and the second largest planet is Saturn. Now what is there around Saturn? You all know what is there? It is yellowish in color and it has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. Okay, that means the rings are made up of ice and dust. That means it is very cold there because it is having rings of ice. Okay, now you know the next planet. That is the seventh planet. Who is the seventh planet you know? Let's see. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. Okay, see, the eyes and the face of Uranus which is made here is looking blurred due to the presence of what? The presence of gases. The eighth planet is Neptune. So this is the last and the farthest planet on the solar system. The eighth planet is Neptune, and what is happening? As this planet is farthest from the sun, cold winds blow here at very high speed because the sunlight cannot reach there. So this area is what? This area is very cold as compared to Mercury or the nearest planets. Now let's see some space explorers. This is Neil Armstrong. These are the explorers who went on the space. This is Sunita Williams. I know you all have heard the names in news. This is Buzz Aldrin. Okay, and the last one is Rakesh Sharma. This is the second exercise in your book. Identify the explorers and you will write it down. Okay. Now tick the correct option. How many suns are there in our solar system? We know that there is only one sun. Okay. In the solar system, the planets known as the gas giants are also known as the outer planets. Yes, this is true. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach the earth? How much time you know? The light takes 8 minutes to travel from sun to earth. Now, how old is the solar system? Our solar system is 4.6 billion years old. Okay. You will take all the answers which I am discussing. Which statement describes the atmosphere of the given planet correctly? The atmosphere of Venus mostly contains carbon dioxide. The atmosphere of Mercury mostly contains neon. The atmosphere of Earth mostly contains sulfur. The atmosphere of Saturn mostly contains helium. So 4 statements are given there. Which statement is correct? The first statement is correct. That is, the atmosphere of Venus mostly contains carbon dioxide. Okay, this statement is correct. Now our sixth question. The only 2 planets that have no moon are Mercury and Venus. So this is the correct answer. I repeat again. 1A, 2A, 3B, 4C, 5A and 6A. So you will do all the exercises which I have discussed. Exercise A, label the planets. Exercise B, identify and name these explorers. And exercise C, take the correct option. Thank you.